Good morning. When I turn on PlayStation from it, it comes on and its hard disk light also blinks. And like it has an HDMI cable behind it, but still no display on the TV. The blink of hard disk light means something is wrong with the RSX or the HDMI encoder chip. I have already checked it with an AV cable and even then there was no display. So that means the HDMI section is not causing the problem. Let's see what it could be. I can see that someone has tried to reflow the RSX in addition. I am sorry that he was not successful. I know all its supplies are working, but even then, what's wrong with checking? I also want to check some more things. The CPU is getting hot, so is the GPU also getting warm or not? Yes, these two are heating up. Now the processor chips got overheated as the system shuts off. I don't know why I always forget to keep their heatsinks. So I have checked all the switching's inputs and fine. The outputs volts are also accurate. Now I will show you the input clocks for the Southbridge chip. This is Southbridge's test point for checking the clock. Yes, it is for an instant. That's good. If the clock is for an instant, that means no data is processing. I have observed it. Have you seen it too? Why is it visible for such a short time? This is the input source for this clock. If it is coming here, then it must also be present there. Yes, it is. Here I can see that someone has already put a lot of effort into fixing it. Someone has already done reflow work on BGA and many other parts. Now what else should I do? First I must thoroughly clean the flux paste of this area. Since the error is in the GPU section, it must be checked consistently. What else can I check in the GPU section now? Let's now check some more components that include their biases. And whose biases do I have to check? The GPU. Let's start from here. In general, the value for these biases is 55 ohm. As far as I remember, there is no biasing resistance of such value here. These are the feedback coupling and the biases for the GPU power. Their values must be at around 500 ohms. The third one is good at around 240 ohms. Let's compare them to another motherboard of the same model. Yes, both of these are with the same model number. So here it is showing its value of 0.5 kilo ohms. Yes, the same as I guessed. And the value of the other resistor is around 0.3 kilo ohm. And the third one is at the value of 238 ohms. While in this, both resistor values were observed at 1 kilo ohms. While the third one, which is a power feedback resistance, is fine. I'm going to swap one of them first. It could be only one because another is showing such due to it. Let's finalize it by changing it. The resistance must be well connected for the circuit to be complete. That's fine. Now let's verify these resistances again. All is well now. Now, after completing all its requirements, the check must be done. It is on red standby light and I am about to power it on now. And its display has been seen on the TV screen. Now it's a different story because its hard disk is incompatible.